we're at Red Forest Cafe right now. We're looking for Tracy. Okay, we found her. I can't mark her. Okay.
They don't all fit in her bag.
Okay, I got Tracy. I got Tracy. Now, Bamba the gorilla. Wait. There's two alligators.
Wait,
There's no alligator. Okay, so Bamba the gorilla. Bamba the gorilla. Is this the iguana? Yeah, this is Iggy the iguana. We found Iggy. Iggy. And we need to find a jaguar. Oh! Right there. Wait, that's not a jaguar, that's a lion. Okay, we found the jaguar.
Bryson, did you find a jaguar?
Yes.
Where?
Just mark it. As long as one of us finds it, we're good.
Find the volcano.
Now, Rio. Crawl. Oh, I
What's a
found it.
lookout? What's a lookout?
It's a bird. So we found.
Bryson, what's a lookout?
It's a bird. Okay. Now, two key. We found Bamba. We found Bamba. Oh, I found another one. And another one.
Because they're
Because that was someone's already table. They were on a scavenger hunt.
okay.
Okay.
Now we're in front of the monkey.
Bryson, the elephant's right there. So you can mark the elephant.
Elephant. Okay.
We just need one more.
I need to know what y'all want to drink before y'all leave again.
Okay. I want.
Tyler, what do you want? You want one of these?
Yeah, I want this. I want this.
I'm sorry. Oh, good.
Oh, we found the volcano.
Okay, we just found the volcano.
So we're done.
We are done. We found all of it.
What do y'all want, guys?
Tyler,
I already said
What do you want in it?
it. Huh?
What do you want in it?
The blue drink.
What's this blue drink right here?
The blue one is your swimming pool. It's going to have lemonade, carousel, and
What do you want?
the 21 ounce celebration cup does the 21 ounce celebration cup does that come with like
minutes that they can hear right now.
I want this.
Watch out, baby.
They always way. You want us to wait?
Yeah.
What do you want to drink in it?
I want that
Can
one.
you get any drink in there?
Yes.
Oh, then I want Diet Coke in it.
Diet Coke? Hey, can he get one of these glasses but with Diet Coke?
I want that.
And I want
Okay. You want this?
For those who only have the frog and the elephant.
The frog and the what? The only frog and the elephant's the only thing they have.
elephant.
And what do you want? Diet Coke?
Hey,
What do you want?
I want that cup with the
Let me see your thing. I can't even look at mine.
the strawberry lemonade.
You need to pick what you want.
I just
Okay, we'll tell the rule.
I want this cup with the strawberry lemonade. Oh, fish.
Which one's better, the Blue Nile or the Tropical Getaway? To what? Blue Nile. Okay, I think that
fishies.
Where? What do y'all want to eat?
It's a dead.
It's down there.
Yeah.
Dead fish. And it's eating it.
There's a dead fish and some other fish is eating it.
How is that fish eating?
I don't know.
The table is on your feet. Look at his mouth.
Look at this fish. It's dead. It's just eating it. How is it just eating it? Oh my. Well, while we're here, let's fire all these other fish. Look at that one.
This is a bad fish. That's
Oh.
a bad fish.
That's a huge fish. Yeah. Oh, he's eating the other fish now. Oh my god. God. That's weird, guys. I'm gonna go to the elephant. Look at that elephant. Real. Oh my god.
That one biggest fish.
It's scaring everybody away. See it better. That's horrible. Okay. Peace, guys.
Oh, this fish is eating it.
Down this road.
Rainforest Cafe.